Hey guys, Mikey's Rotary here. A guy needs a pair of mirrors. These will be powered, but it should work for non-powered as well. It's 8185 RX7 mirrors. Just gonna make a quick video how to do it, post it. You guys get a watch. So, there are 2 screws underneath right there. It's actually best to have a small screwdriver, a little stubby, because you can't really get a long one in without hitting the car, and it's easier to strip if they're tight because it doesn't want to be directly in. If they're not, yeah, see if they're not like seized or anything, then they should come out fine with a big one. This one's being a pain, the long screwdriver. All right, once those are out, you'll need a screwdriver for these 2. And it's easiest to take this part off and slide it up before you pull this out, because you really have to, these are pretty tight. There's one. You have to fit this through the little square in there. There we go, slide that up. There we go. And then there's 2 more screws right there. Right, and that's that. Hey guys, just want to say thanks a ton for watching the video. I want to give a big shout out to Daniel at Dport Rotary, dportrotary.com. I'll have it down in the description. Got all kinds of stuff from services, videos. He's got stuff for sale in his shop. But big shout out to him. Yeah, if you guys need any help with anything or any questions or anything, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll reply. I'll be here. Again, I really appreciate you guys' view. Take it easy.